lot they can do
dia.
there. Maybe switch over to Boots, but they want that engage. They want to try to give Kyrie.
Udah full item
enough
semua,
space.
guys.
I get the
Mantap.
idea, right? CW,
Semoga
yes,
bisa
it's their
defense
game
ya.
style, but I don't think they were
Full
going
item
for a
semua, weh.
wipeout or anything.
Kecuali
They're
Kyrie.
going, let's buy time. Let's get a moment where we can see everybody and Kyrie can steal the lore.
Intinya Lilianya sih ini yang
That was
clear lane.
denied.
Lilianya udah sakit banget sih ini guys.
Taking a look at the items, everybody on the side of April Brand is
Lilia,
dead.
guys.
Can Onyx defend this Mirko?
Not too sure about this, man. I mean, 13,000 gold lead for AP Brent, but like you said, the later the game goes, Onyx will make that gold lead
Aduh anjing.
irrelevant. Kyrie's dealing
Hei,
some damage.
gila,
Actually holds
sumpah.
out the way.
Aduh tegang banget ini gua aja.
Iya, baru game pertama padahal lo.
Yolo, Lilia lawan Popeyus lo, ayo.
Winter Truncheon already used up by
Badannya boots.
immortality right now. CW being brought back to the team right now. Is a very fast storm. Will be honest away from
Blunder nggak sih? Blunder nggak sih, Brem?
Blunder dia.
Defense guys. Defense ini sumpah.
Bisa. Wow!
Let's go.
Wah anjir. Ah, gila.
15 kok.
Satu ngomong.
N ini N. Gila. Anjing. Kiboy so anjir.
Masuk akal sih. Ini kita streamer nggak ada yang expect guys.
GG dong.
Holy shit, biggest comeback ever anjir.
Best comeback. One moment.
Kayak gini sumpah seumur hidup.
Boy, Jo.
It happened here, game 1.
Gila.
14K behind, and Onyx comes back and takes game 1.
Anjir. Gua kalau jadi brand kena capek kayak gitu sih.
Zero
Lumayan
kills
stres ya gua ya.
Anjir.
Mental juara coy. Iya. Ini the real sih. Mental juara sih. Anjing. Wah, ini nonton di venue kalau nggak merinding impossible guys.
Gua pakai lagi aja ya.
Gila.
Gua buka ruangan. Udah gua pakai lagi.
That just happened to get
Gila.
fully exposed base, everything going in favor of AP Brand.
Bisa
and they
setenang
turn around.
itu ya mereka
All they
ya.
had to do was
Anjir,
buy
best.
time. They knew
Jo, lu kalau di posisi Onyx udah kayak udahlah capek gua. Udahlah.
objective.